Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Full Circle. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in moving your body, exercising, getting some steps in, cardio line dance class, please call 504-251-0674 for cardio line dancing classes. If you're interested in this is the instructional, dancing along to this music, please watch to the end and click on the video. Also, we're going to dance full circle at the NOLA Southern Experience. That's right, 4-day line dance weekend, July 11th through 14th, 2024. It's next year, and you have more than enough time to register and book your room. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com, and let's go, guys. So, instructors, this dance is in a circle, okay? So I'm going to give you the instructions, and just think about it moves around in a circle. Here we go. So it starts, it's going to be a circle, so it's not a one wall, it's not a two wall, it is a circle. All right? So you go move it up, right, left, right, left, right. And you're going to turn left, right, left, right, left. You'll make a half turn. So instead of going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, you're going to split it up. You move forward, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So your shoulder come back, making a half turn. So when I go up on the right, I'm looking at the person that's in front of me. Right, left, right, left, right. When my left shoulder come back, half turn, left, right, left, right, left. I'm looking at the person behind me. Okay? From here, I'm going to do a sailor right, a sailor left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Still looking at the person behind me. Okay? Then I'm going to slide in. Slide up and slide back. So the circle going to close in and then it's going to come out. Up and back. So I don't go forward. Okay? I don't move forward. The person behind me, we're moving into the circle and we slide out to the circle. Okay? Let's do that. So the dance moves forward, right, left, right, left, right. Shoulder back. Left, right, left, right, left. Sailor right. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Slide in and slide out. Okay? So the circle moves in. Everybody moves in, slides in, and everybody moves out. So it's not forward, it's not back. It goes towards the middle of the circle. All right? Now you're going to kick right, left, pivot, half turn. Right, left step, pivot, half turn. Now I'm looking at the person in front of me. I'm going to do it again. Kick, right, left step, pivot, half turn. Now I'm right back at the person that's behind me. I'm going to do a right rocking chair. Rock up, rock back. Now this is where I'm going to go back to the person that's in front of me. I can do it two ways. You paddle and you turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pass it up, then come back to, okay, to go to the person in front of you. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I'm actually starting here. I pass up the front person in front of me. I pass up where I came from, and then I go back where I started. So it's a full turn and a half, or 4 count. Okay? So I come back to this wall. 1, 2, here, person that's behind me, full turn, 3, 4 and a half to come back to the person that's in front of me. Now, let me show you the way I'm going to do it. I'm just going to paddle for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm here. And I'm not dizzy or anything, okay? So you elect which one you want, how you want to do it. But the paddle around, making a full and a half turn, is the way that the dance was choreographed, okay? Now, let's put it all together. That is the dance. I've made it back to the front. Now it's time for me to start over again. And we start with the right, left, triple step. Right, left, triple step. Back, left, right, triple step. Sailor right, right, left, right, slide in, and then slide out. Kick right, left, step, pivot, half. Kick right, left, step, pivot, half. Rocking chair, right up, right back. I'm going to count from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the circle move. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2. Pivot 3, 4. Kick 5, 6. Pivot 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the circle is going to move on that right, left, triple step. That's how it's going to move forward, okay? That's when the circle moves. When you go right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. So it moves on that part too. So when you go up here, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You're actually walking backwards. So it will move on that part. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. Then it stays here with your sailor right, your right sailor and your left sailor. You slide in, then you slide out. You kick, 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 step, pivot, half. Kick, kick, step, pivot, half, rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, you can do that full turn and a half. And it's 4 count to get there, but you're coming back to the front. So the dance moves on the right, left, triple step. Make a half turn, left, right, triple step. Again. Right, left, triple step. Right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Then my left shoulder come back, half turn. Left, right, left. See how it moves? That's when the circle would move. The rest of the steps, you stay here. Stay in place. Right sailor, left sailor. Right, left, left, slide in, slide out. So the circle moves in and the circle moves out. You kick, right, left, step, pivot, half, right, left, step, pivot, half. You do that twice. And you back at the person behind you. You do the rocking chair up and back, and then you do that paddle or do that full and a half turn to go back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's time to move the circle forward again, okay? That is full circle, guys. That's the step-by-step instruction. I'm going to do a demo. So this is how I'm going to do the demo. With the music, I'm going to actually put something on the floor, put a circle on the floor or something, and I'm going to move the circle, move around the circle because I'm by myself. But just to give you an idea, it is a circle dance, okay? And open it up as much as you can so it can move and people can be comfortable and not on top of each other. Okay, that is full circle. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. We opened registration in June, and I would like to thank everyone for your registration. I appreciate your support so much. I see y'all guys. And so go to our website and get the detailed information. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room right now at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the WOODHOUS teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.